Easily the most interesting perspective on the once again burning issue of racism in English football comes from Jamaican-born Liverpool and England legend John Barnes. Listen.
You cannot get rid of racism in football as long as it exists in society, because football is a part of society. So unfortunately, we do it in the wrong way around. We're looking to throw before these racist football fans, as people like to call them, who are they? Are they doctors, lawyers, milkmen, postmen? Why don't we look at those institutions and say, you have racist members in your institutions? Why is it football? This is the problem we have. We throw it at football's door rather than looking at society as a whole, and that's what we have to do. Because the Euros comes around every 2 years, the World Cup, the football matches once a week. What is happening in society every single day? Through jobs, employment, education, that we're not tackling. We're just blaming football.
Big talk, John Barnes. Racism is not a football problem. It's a societal problem. And look, how many times we're watching English and other European football, especially during goal celebrations, and we see the white players in a tight huddle and embrace with the black players left on the outside. Like even within these professional teams, there are clear black-white divisions. The point John Barnes is making is that the strange nuances of these players on these multiracial teams and the adverse interactions with fans in the stands are mere indices of what is happening in the wider society. So we must stop blaming football and expecting football to fix a problem that is bigger than football itself. Why? John Barnes is a genius. This man reminds me of myself. What a brilliant perspective. Tell the truth.